Tired of endlessly searching for realtor emails on Zillow? First, navigate to Zillow's website and search for properties in your desired area. Refine your search using filters like property type, price range, and location to narrow down the listings. Next, manually browse individual listings. Look for the listing agent's contact information, typically found under the agent or contact section. Sometimes, the email will be displayed directly on the page. However, Zillow often hides email addresses behind a contact agent button. Clicking this may only lead to a Zillow contact form instead of revealing the actual email. To automate this, consider using web scraping tools or browser extensions. These tools can extract data, including email addresses, from multiple Zillow pages automatically. Remember to research and choose reputable tools with good reviews. Configure your scraping tool to target the specific data fields you need, such as agent names and email addresses. Run the scraper to collect the data into a spreadsheet or database. Finally, carefully review the extracted data for accuracy and completeness. Clean up any errors or duplicates. Be mindful of Zillow's terms of service and avoid excessive scraping that could overload their servers. Remember that scraping can violate their terms of service, so ensure you do your research into the legalities before scraping.